It's there.
Good job.
Good job.
Good job.
Good job. You sit properly na. Tapos yung bakit yung likod mo.
My back is hurting.
What? Yeah. Push a little bit. Okay. What number is that? What number is that?
6.
6. What about this?
7. 6. 6.
What's that?
7.
7. Yeah. You want this for your bound tomorrow?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah? You can blow your nose. Okay, what's that?
8.
Yeah.
8.
Yeah, 8.
8. What's your G here?
That's how they pronounce it. 8. Bakit daw may G ang 8? Here. EIGHT.
8.
Good question. I don't know why there's G in 8 too.
Because it's eight.
Kasi ano, mahaba na tunog ng G. Di ba? Di mo naman pwede sabihin sa kanya silent G. Kasi wala pa siya sa ganun kasi.
Gate.
8.
It's gate.
No. Gate this the G is supposed to be the first letter. And then GATE. What number is that?
5.
9. Good. Next. Nice.
Stop.
Ah.
Good job.
Good job.
Good
Good
job.
job. Okay. Next, you want a different one naman? Different book?